Good morning, YouTube. Hey, this is Arnaz. Now I'm here to show you my new kitchen accessories for my camping or SUV camping, park camping, cooking. All of these are my new addition. Right here, I got the Vitoman, the expandable battery that goes to this power station. Vitoman 6. And then I have a Migu refrigerator. This is a refrigerator right here. And I got a collection of minis, my mini. I got a toaster. This was on clearance. One slice toaster. I didn't mean to do that. A noodle, my mini noodle cooker and skillet. And 2-piece urban cook set. My mini. Oh, here goes something else. This is an electric skillet. And my mom gave me this. What is this? Like a little mini crock pot. This one here is a Hamilton Beach sandwich maker. I got this from the Goodwill. And my daughter gave me this. I said, give me that. This for my cooking when I go to the parks. And I have like a little portable kitchen. I'm gonna have to get a bigger container. You can't see, can you see that? Okay. All this stuff is new. This Vitoman is new. This Migu, this is a new refrigerator. All my little mini appliances, cooking appliances, these are new. And my little sandwich maker. So I'm gonna start cooking at the parks in the morning time and the evening. If it's not too busy, not too crowded. So I'm out here, I'm gonna take y'all around so we could check out this park. Be back. This is the park, what is it called? West Fork. It has a zip line that's way back there. Okay, there we go. It's way in the back. And I'm the only one here. Nice and quiet. They got the little maze right here for the kids. It's a beautiful park. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. What's that, like a little xylophone over there? They make all that little noise. Bing, 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 bing. Playhouses. They got one playhouse. And then here go another one, the green one. They got racetracks. The picnic area over there. Big old slide for the kids. As you can see, I'm the only one. I'm the only one here. And it's nice and quiet. So this will be one of the parks I'll be cooking at early in the morning, y'all. and it's so peaceful. I wasn't able to go camping this year like I wanted to, so I'm gonna go to different parks. That's what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna just go to different parks. We're gonna cook, we're gonna walk, I'm gonna try to jog. But yeah, so see my new t-shirt, y'all? I got so many compliments on this. Believe in who you are or who you were meant to be. See you in the next video.